crowd was terrific. And the crowd was terrific. Can't say enough about our fans.
Burgess pulls for three for the left wing, and he hits it. Slips ahead to Burgess. Dunk, Bradford. Burgess on the other end.
The way we play, it's a fun way to play. This is just an advantage that we want to use.
I think that speaks to the potential that our team has to wreak havoc.
Now Darius will try straight away. It's good.
Just want us to put emphasis on defense. And, just getting multiple stops and just pressure the ball at all times.
Pass goes to Daniels. He wants the three. This one to ice it. Daniels hits it. That gives the Rams a 6-point lead. On the Daniels left wing. Daniels fires for three and buries it.
My teammates and my coaches, they do a great job of, keeping me focused and confident at all times.
Rebound blocked by Reddick. And a Reddick who dunks it down low. Reddick dunk again from Reddick. Rams go up 14.
I expect for myself this season to be more of a dominant player in the post.
Step back three from Rob. It's good. He's all the way on the other end. Two-handed slam, Rob Brandenburg.
That's one thing I admire about my teammates is we're not selfish. There's no ego. We just play. We have one common goal. We want to help each other.
For the slam inside.
DJ gave us a physical presence inside.
Ace is frenzied now as Graham wants a three straight away. Good.
The freshmen are just learning. The success that this program has had. I think those guys were their minds were so set on coming in and making a good impression. Really not much different than the past. It's a new season with new challenges and a new team.